All right, gang. I have a 3.5 ton jack right here. Another, I have a 3 ton jack up front. I have a 2 ton jack with 90-degree angle iron underneath the axle. And I started to raise the axle, and it looked as though it was beginning to bend. I wasn't sure whether it was built that way or someone had bent it in the past, but I didn't want to push my luck, so I got some 3/16 angle iron and another one about 1/8 of an inch, and put it on the jack and lifted it a little bit, and it looks like it's going to work just fine. So I've taken off all the lug nuts. The wheels are still on. I'm going to raise her up in the back and front and get clear. And take the tires and wheels off. Okay, let's go up front. See what we have up here. All right. Oh yeah. All right. There you go. Okay, this baby will come off now. All right, we're free. Now I went ahead and I soaked these bolts yesterday. And those. So hopefully they'll come off easy, fingers crossed. And then I can put the axle down here. It's hard for me to see. I don't think those shackles have been welded, and that will make life a lot easier. I'm wondering if I can loosen these up and get my height that way. I just don't know. It's all new to me, gang. Keeps your mind active when you get old, learning new things. So before I run out of storage on this camera, which is notifying me that I'm running short, I had better shut the camera off for now. I see one thing that's I'm not too happy about is this wheel. This tire was approximately 6 inches higher off the ground, high off the ground, and this one's still, yeah, it's touching. So I've got to reset my jack, level this puppy out. Okay, that's it for now, gang. Thumbs up, please. Subscribe. See you later. Take care and be safe.